Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to change the time on your Fitbit tracker from 12-hour to 24-hour and vice versa. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so you're going to need a few things to do this. First of all, you're going to need the device that your Fitbit is actually attached to or that it synchronises with. So in my case, it's going to be the Nokia 8 mobile phone. Obviously, depending on what device you're using, that is what you're going to need to have. You'll also need your username and password for your Fitbit.com account, so keep that handy. And you'll also need access to a web browser. Now you can use the web browser built into your phone if you wish to, but for the purposes of this video and for simplicity, I'm going to be using my desktop PC. Okay, so the first thing to do is to open up your web browser and go to your Fitbit dashboard. So that'll be www.fitbit.com. Now, I'm currently logged in already, as you can see by my icon there, but if not, you'll be greeted by a login screen, in which point you put in your username and your password, and you should get to this screen. Okay, so with me so far? Great. So the next thing to do is we need to change the settings. So if you click on the cog, the settings cog, or view settings cog, and then you can go down to settings. Now most people, this is where they go wrong and they try to look actually on the surge tracker or the charge 3 tracker, whatever it may be, but weirdly the setting isn't actually in there. So we need to click on settings, and this is where we have all our personal information. So what we need to do now is, rather again than go into the surge device or anything like that, you actually need to be in personal info. So if you click on personal info, if it's not already on personal info, and then scroll down the page a little bit until you get to advanced settings. Now this is where we have our units and things like that, and where your week starts, and this is the one we want, clock display time. So at the moment mine's set to 12-hour, so click on the drop box, and then we get the option in the radio buttons for either 12-hour or 24-hour. So obviously depending which you want to change, if yours is already on 24-hour and you want 12-hour, or vice versa, just click on the radio button to select which one you want. Now, once you've done that, you have to click on the submit button at the bottom. Now this will submit the information you just input up here into your Fitbit account, ready for it to be transferred to your tracker on your next synchronization. So we'll click on submit. And at the top you should get a thing saying updated profile. So we're all done on the PC. So now we can go back to our device that we're synchronizing on. So we've done the PC part of it and we've changed the settings, so now we need to force the update to our tracker. So open up the Fitbit app on your device, and the easiest way of doing it is just to pull the screen down to force a synchronization. So now the information which is actually in the Fitbit cloud will be translated to your phone via your cloud account, and then from your phone via Bluetooth to your watch. So mine is now showing 1748 rather than showing 548. So that change normally takes a couple of seconds to go through. If it doesn't do it the first time, just force another sync and it should do it. If it doesn't do it straight away, give it a few seconds and eventually it will update. If not, go back into the desktop app and redo the process again just to make sure. So there you go, there is how to change the time on your Fitbit tracker. So 12-hour to 24-hour and vice versa. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to stick them in the comments section below. But in the meantime, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.